Good morning, guys. I just wanted to hop on and take a minute to explain what we'll be doing today. This is for Thursday, the 24th of September. We're still going to do the 20 minutes of Lexia. Your link is here. And then we are going to use IXL for the first time. I know you guys have typically used this for math. They opened it up for some English work as well. So you can log in through Clever. Right here is the link. Log in as a student. And then, I'm sorry. Guys, I had to change the school. So you're going to log in through Clever. I'm going to use my school account. And then right here at the top is IXL. Okay. So from there, I'm going to go to Learning, Topics. So after you clicked on Learning and then Topics, you're going to come down to Capitalization, select All, and then come over here to PP3, okay? We're going to work through this exercise just based off what I've seen in your guys' creative writing. We just need a little bit of review on these skills. This is just going to review capitalization and punctuation. It will be starred for you guys, so that'll make it a little easier to find. I'll make sure there. Okay, and then after that, we're going to go back to our creative writing. There we go. And if you've already turned it in, I want you to look back over what you've written. Did you capitalize? Did you use punctuation? Did you check your spelling? Everybody that's turned it in so far, I have checked your work for you and left you some comments. So go back, make those edits if you need to make those edits, and resubmit. If you have not turned it in, you need to get that turned in today because we are going to start moving on to our next story. So take some time, edit that writing, and get that turned in. All right, if you have any questions, please hop on Zoom, email me, or let me know.